Hello there, and welcome back. This is my 1999 Mazda Miata. This is my daily, and today we're making a video on it because I'm doing some repairs and some visual upgrades to the front. So let's get into what we're doing and how I'm going to do it. So as you can see, I actually have the front bumper off of this thing right now. That's because recently I came off the road and destroyed my front lip. Zero damage to anything else, just destroyed my front lip. But we're going to put this front lip on here, which I think looks better than this style. Here's a picture of it when it was in one piece. And then we're swapping over from NB1 headlights, which it had NB1 headlights with an NB2 bumper, to a set of Spec D NB2 headlights with halos, and we're going to wire these in, make them look nice, clean up this bumper, fix it, repair it. There's actually a couple spots where it was previously broken, so we're gonna fix some botched repairs, fix some shady work, make this thing look better, and put it back together. To do that, I'm going to take this bumper inside, and we're going to start by disassembling every single piece that's left on it. Okay, sorry about the noise. This thing's going on again, but let's take a look at everything that needs to be taken off. We got to take off these marker lights. We got to take off this piece, which is put in by that. This is good old Home Depot special. Pull the Mazda badge off. More Home Depot stuff. This isn't even in the bumper. That didn't even reach the bumper. That's just sitting there. That's not doing anything. We're gonna pull what's left of the old front lip off, pull this top piece off, and you can see right here we have some damage. This is causing the bumper to sag so that the headlight housing doesn't really fit well. So we're gonna fix that, make it sit better, get all this to fit onto the front of the car better. We're gonna start by just taking everything off. Okay, as you can see, we have everything off of here now. Here's the hardware that this thing was put together with. This is some Home Depot level bullcrap. The top half's off of there. We bent it back into place. You can see this thing is not in the best of condition. Looks-wise, this thing's been beaten. It should be fixable still, just because I don't want to spend so much money on a new bumper cover. And then, I'll show you on this side. This is a common thing on Miatas, and this one has this issue. But on the other side, we've actually worked the hole back in. Now it doesn't look the greatest right now, it's not sanded, but there's actually coat hanger in there. And this is pieces of the bumper. I'm not gonna need these clips, so I harvested the clips down here. There were 3 of these. I took it, made it work, we put some coat hanger in there, melted it all into place. We're going to sand it smooth, and that should mean when we get over this side, there should be no more need for zip tie holes, which the previous owner put in there. So we're going to see what we can do on fixing these holes up with sort of the same method. I doubt we're going to get it perfect, but it'll be better than having a bunch of holes in there. And then this bumper will actually be mounted by the proper hardware, not by zip ties. Okay, so I decided to go all out on this, and I have DA'd this entire bumper down just because I was going to touch it up. And then as I look closer and closer, it was just a little bit too far gone just to touch up. So I DA'd the entire thing down. I'm actually going to put the bumper back on. This is my daily, and I am going to need it soon. I haven't put these back on yet. I haven't filled the holes for that. I put the marker lights back on. I'm going to leave the front lip off for right now. I'll put the badge on. I just sprayed it black real quick just because I'm going to have it black eventually. Might as well do it now. But I'm going to mount everything properly, and let's go check out what my dad is doing. He's wiring the headlights, so let's go take a look at that. Okay, we have the Spec D headlights installed. Sorry I didn't actually show you guys the process of this, but we went from essentially just a 3-wire setup right here to these 2 plugs going in. You got your highs, you got your lows, you got your highs, and then we hook the DRLs up into these, which are the little corner markers because they don't flash. So we hook the DRLs into those. So when I hit my first switch, it's DRLs, second switch, headlights, and now my brights work, which I didn't have any brights before. So now those work, and then when I get my fog lights in, they also have a DRL circle. We're going to wire those in to the DRLs that are in the headlights as well. So I'll have DRLs there and on the fogs. But now that this is all done and these headlights are in, We're gonna set this bumper back on, and because this is my daily, I'm gonna have to run it with that unpainted bumper for a little bit. So let's put that on and let's see what the final result is for now. And now we have the bumper on, we can finally see how these headlights look. And now that I have headlights that actually fit, not these things, honestly, these look super derpy to me. These look a lot more aggressive. These things look beautiful. Obviously, bumper doesn't, but for right now, this is what it's gonna look like for, I'd say, 2-3 weeks, something like that. Get some other parts in. I got, like I said, got the fog lights coming in, but I am happy with this. Let's go ahead and close the hood. That fits so much better. Wow. That's a visual improvement, even with a completely mismatched bumper. And honestly, I like it without the lip over that old lip. Now I think I'm definitely gonna like the new lip more, but that old lip just did not match the shape of the bumper, and this looks a lot better. So definitely a success today, but that's definitely going to do it. I will see you guys in the next part where we actually finish this up. See you then.